Hey everyone! Welcome to this beginner's guide to Canva. If you've ever wanted to create stunning designs for social media, posters, or even presentations but felt a bit overwhelmed, don't worry, you're in the right place. In just a few minutes, I'm going to show you some super simple tasks that anyone can do using Canva. Let's jump right in and have some fun. First up, let's navigate the Canva dashboard together. When you log in, you'll see a whole bunch of templates. These are your best friends. Templates make designing so much easier. Let's start by clicking on a social media post template. All right, here we are. Let's select a simple Instagram post template. As you can see, there are a lot of options. You can search for specific themes like birthday, sale, or nature. Let's pick a colorful birthday template and customize it. Now let's edit the text. Click on the existing text box and type in whatever you like. I'm going to write Happy Birthday, Alex. You can change the font, size, and color easily using the toolbar at the top. Let's make it bold and change the color to something bright, maybe yellow. Next, let's change the image. Click on the image in the template, and on the left, you'll see the Photos tab. Canva has a huge library of free images. I'm going to search for birthday cake and replace the existing image. Okay, let's add some fun elements to make it more personal. Click on Elements from the left-hand menu. Here you'll find stickers, shapes, and more. Let's add some confetti to the corners, because who doesn't love a bit of celebration, right? Once you're happy with your design, it's time to download it. Click on the Share button at the top right, then Download. You can choose the format, JPEG, PNG, even a PDF if you want. Let's go with PNG for this one. And that's it, folks. You've just created your first Canva design. See how easy that was? There are so many tools and features to explore, but starting with templates is a great way to get comfortable. If you enjoyed this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Canva tips. I'll see you in the next video, where we'll dive into creating animated graphics. Until then, keep creating. I'd also love to hear what you created. Let me know in the comments. If you have any questions or suggestions for other Canva features you'd like me to cover, leave those in the comments too. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.